Hello, everyone. I quickly wanted to share this kind of cool looking geometric ribbon system, which you can change quite easily just with one parameter. You can animate this parameter as well if you'd like, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it simple, straight to the point. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to delete this hanging particulate emitter. I'm going to add an emitter, let's say hanging particulates. I'm going to get rid of scale sprite size, scale color, drag, curl noise force, shape location 1, spawn rate. Okay, let's add a spawn burst instantaneous, and let's also get rid of the sprite renderer, and I want a ribbon renderer. Great, we can't see anything. Emitter state, let's set it to, well, loop behavior, let's set it to once. And let's set the spawn instantaneous to, I don't know, maybe 200. 200 should be good. Then initialize particle, let's set it to direct set for the lifetime. And then let's say a lot. Okay, can't really see anything. That's fine. So let's select a bright looking material, right? Like that. And we can see some ribbons. So this material is super simple. I just created it earlier. It's just a base color with a multiply to get some emissive values going. Right. So in the shape location, I actually want to set the shape primitive to a cylinder. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Set the shape primitive to a sphere. And then let's set the sphere distribution to uniform. And you can already see some spiraling goodness happening right there. All right, in the properties, I also want to say local space, because we're going to scale this thing up quite a bit. When I select it, I can now drag it up like that. Cool. So back in our shape location, we can say set the uniform, non-uniform scale to something higher to create kind of a tunnel effect, right? And then let's point the camera in the tunnel, set it full screen again so we can see what's going on. Great. And I can set the shape location. In this shape location, I can set the uniform spiral amount to something else. And yeah, I can completely change the spiral that way. So just with one parameter, I can create this interesting looking geometric spiraling looking things. And you can animate this parameter. You can set it to a beat so it changes on something, whatever. I just kind of want to share this quick trick with y'all. And yeah, let's keep this video short. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Talk to you later.